Hello dear friends, in this video I am going to show the mole removal, which is very common on the face. So after cleaning, we have cleaned with betadine and the clean goes. Then we are numbing the lesion with a small thin needle, small injection. Now patient is comfortable. Now we are going to remove this mole layer by layer in parts with ellman RF. Ellman RF is one of the best RF in the world. It produces least heat in the surrounding area, and so this is removal layer by layer. We only want to remove the mole, which is dome shaped lesion here, and we are burning the leftover mole thick area, which is more easily palpable than seen. So after that, we are curating out the leftover debris and whichever black part is left, and afterward it looks like this. Thank you.